In Japanese class, you probably learn numbers like 1, 2, 3, and perhaps large numbers too. But these are all integers. That may be good enough for most people for most of the time, but if you are in a business meeting talking about numbers, or if you are an engineer or scientist who needs to talk about data, you need more than just integers. This video explains numbers in Japanese beyond integers. First, let's talk about operators. Plus sign is read as either tasu or plus. Tasu is a verb meaning to add. Minus sign is read as either hiku or minasu. Hiku is a verb meaning to subtract. Multiplication operator is read as kakeru. It's a verb meaning to multiply. Division operator is read as waru. This is also a verb meaning to divide. Equal sign is read as either wa or ikoru. We read this equation as 5-4は1. When reading a simple equation not involving variables, we use hiku for minus, tasu for plus, and wa for an equal sign. Even though we use hiku for minus, if you are reading a negative number, we read it as minus. For example, this is read as minus 3 足す4は1. For equations involving variables, we don't use 引く, 足す, and は anymore. We read this as minus 3y plus 4 equal 1. Even though plus, minus, and equal are from English words, make sure to pronounce in the Japanese way. Decimals are called shosu in Japanese. How can you read this number? A decimal point is read as 10 in Japanese. The integer part of the number is read as a regular number. The number after the decimal point must be read as digits. So this number is read as 12.34567. How about this one? If the number starts with 0, then we don't read as 0 in Japanese. We say 0. So we read this as 0.987. Fractions are called bunsu in Japanese. How can we read this? In Japanese, a numerator is called bunshi, and the denominator is called bunbo. So in Japanese, denominator is a mother and the numerator is a child. In Japanese, you have to actually read this from the bottom up. So read the mother first and then a child. Whereas in English, you read from the top. So we read this number 3分の2. You say 分の between a denominator and a numerator when you read it. How about this one? We just use と to say and. So it becomes 4と3分の ni. Exponential notation. How do you read 10 to the power of 3 in Japanese? We read the base first, then read the exponential by adding jo after the number. Don't forget, we also have no between the base number and the exponential. So we read 10の3乗. How about this one? So this one, 0.4 times 10 to the power of 6, we read as 0.4 かける10の6乗. Numbers in percentage is used in many situations, not only business or science, but also the sale price at the store can be expressed in percentage. You can simply add percent to the number. So 15% is 15%. 3.2% is 3.2%. But in Japanese, we have another way to express percentage. It is wari, 1割. So 1 wari is 10%. So 5 wari is 50%. So wari is very often used in Japanese. And it's important to know about this if you want to visit Japan or conduct business with people in Japan. So other numbers, square root is read as ruto in Japanese. So square root of 5 is read as ruto 5. This one is read as log 2の5. Number is also referenced by using different words. You may have learned 番号 as a number, but that use of the word is very limited, such as a phone number. If you are talking about a value, we say 値. Number in mathematics may be referenced as 数, and numeric value is called 数値. This video went over how to say number expressions that you don't usually learn in Japanese classes. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for what you want to know about Japanese language, please comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.